I am Heaven Hollender. I am a clinical assistant professor. What is the health science program at IUPUI? We prepare our students to go into the healthcare field, whether it's as a clinician, whether it's a physical therapist, an occupational therapist, a speech pathologist, a medical doctor, or it's just an entry-level position. And sometimes it's students that are coming into our programs and they're not for sure, but they know they want to go into the health field. We make sure that we speak with our students, getting to know them personally on a level, not just as a number, but as a student and like where they come from and who they are, and realizing what is important to them. So if we know that their ultimate goal is to go to physical therapy, we are going to work with them individually and sit down with them, talk about their strength versus maybe another student that is going into physical therapy and they have a different type of strength. So our goal is always to individualize the plans for the student and get to know them and help them be successful. So one of the advantages of our program, we focus on people with disabilities. We also talk about the rehabilitation process and the systems because our students are going into healthcare. They're going to be working with people with disabilities. They're going to be working on a rehabilitation team. I have the students do accessibility evaluation where they go out into the community to see how accessible it is for someone that has to use a wheelchair versus maybe the stairs. And so we try very hard to get the students exposed to the community as much as possible. One of the reasons why I chose to work at IUPUI is that there's a lot of resources on campus. There are 5 different hospitals within like a mile, 2 miles of campus that students can get to. And a lot of other campuses do not have the opportunity. The other piece is in health science, every single one of us that are faculty members have such a different, diverse background that if a student wanted to come in and focus on massage therapy, we have a faculty for that. If there's someone that wanted to come in and focus on neurology, we have a faculty member for that as well. And so we are a very diverse staff, which is an amazing asset for our students.